This video is sponsored by His Vessel Academy. Today I want to go over a interactive that's called Q-U-I-A, and this is a really good interactive for learning and getting your kids to actually be excited about math. So we're going to, first of all, you are going to have to create an account, but I just set myself up as a student. I just put my name in there. I wanted to see what the student version was as opposed to the teacher. The teacher version is very similar to it. I also have one of those. But anyway, we're going to hit the About. And so when you get here, you're going to be access to Home, Frequently Asked Questions, About, and Log Out. So we're going to hit the About one. And the nice part is right here it says, you notice you have templates for creating 16 types of online activities. I'm going to tell you right now, thousands of teachers have created these online activities, so you might as well use them. So we're going to do search activities. This is going to be the easiest, how to find the free activities. This is awesome. So today we're going to look at Kia. It's Q-U-I-A. So when you type it into your search box, that's the best place to find it. I'll put a link below. And you'll notice that you will have to create an account. Unfortunately, that's just the way it is. But it's okay. Nobody's going to solicit you for anything. So we have this Home, Frequently Asked Questions, About, and Log Out. So we want to hit the About button. And in the About button, I can create, it says templates for creating 16 types of online activities. And these are teachers that have done these 16 activities for just about every topic you can think of. So the free version is great for just students. So we have, how can you find the free version? You're going to basically do the search activities. And you can go down here and you have a lot of different topics you can choose from, but since we're a math channel, we're going to stick with the math one. And so I'm going to hit here, I notice right here is mathematics. Now, if I was to just scroll on down here, I might get lost after about 100 of these. So I want to narrow my search down. There's a couple of ways I can narrow my search down. I can look at this, I can pick all these topics, look at all of these wonderful topics I can choose from. But since we're going to be talking, let's just do multiplication. So today we're going to do multiplication, but I want to point out the games. All of these games are in, so I could do addition and subtractions of decimals, I could do division facts. It's got great games, but the games are consistent. Notice for once you find that your child likes a particular game, you can probably find any topic on that game and get them to play forever. So let's take a look. So we're going to do multiplication. Multiplication facts, that works. And what you could probably hit submit at that point, but then you're still going to have quite a few of these. So I would literally start with a type of game. So you could do a quiz, you could do flashcards, but those might not really entertain your child very long. On the other hand, Battleship has a tendency to be one that I can actually get addicted to often. And now I'm down to 5 games I can choose from. So we're just going to, I see that I have 5s if I just want to talk about 5s or 3s or 2s. Great. But it looks like these two are going to be more of multiplication with, it says here, battle your opponent on the high seas of multiplications or match the correct answer with the multiplication problem. So try them out. So today we're going to do the high C's because that sounded like fun. And it's going to give you instructions. It says you're going to be doing a computer thing and you want easy, medium, or hard. In this case, let's start with easy. Remember I said always start with the easy level. And I want to start here. And I can move I don't think I can move my battleships. I thought maybe I could, but okay, I can't move my battleships. They're going to put them there. And we have to find where our battleships are for our person. So we're going to just start hitting around my little thing here until we find one. And at some point, the computer's going to keep up with us, and we're going to let's put one over here. Oh, look, I got one. Okay. And it says it's 8 times 3. So now your child needs to go what 8 times 3 is. And oh, look at that. And now I'm going to hit another one, and I have 9 times 3. So I'm going to stay in that same area, just like you learned, Battleship. And that's going to be 27. Try not to get it wrong. And then we're going to hit another one here, and it looks like it's 6 times 7, which is 42. Good job. And we're going to hit one here, and it's 12 times 9, which is 108. I'm just doing it really fast so you can kind of get an idea. You can see the shape of the guy here. So kind of think of it that way. It looks like I don't have anything there, so I should have probably gone this way instead. But it actually looks like I got it. In fact, I sunk it. I wasn't paying attention. So hopefully your child will be able to read down here that says, hey, you sunk something. So we're then going to go clumbing around a little bit more, maybe go over here, go over there. You just, your child, the good news is you see how fast I can pick names. It's not like I'm going against any human that's on the other side deciding. So now, oh, look, I got another ship. And so you're going to go through that, and that's a really fun game for your child, and that gives them the ability to then do their multiplication problems, because they can't go any further if they get the wrong answer. So say I get 18, it says, I'm sorry, you missed, try again. So I have to hit that one on my next turn and do it again, and it's going to be the same question. It's not going to change, so they have to, at some point, they'll be either hitting and missing, but it's good for them to see. And then, as I said, they can go through it and they'll get that one. So that's a really good game to hit. There are other games on there as well. So let's take a look at one of those. So if I don't want Battleship, I can pick, as I said, you can see that there are lots of different games. Rags to Riches is really a fun one as well. It kind of reminds me of, so there's a multiplication for Rags to Riches. It reminds me of Want to Be a Millionaire. You want to start it, and here you go, you have all of these things, and you have hints to go with it and all of that. So it's 5 times 5. The child needs to pick that, and hey, they get it correct. They go to the next level. And as they go, they'll go higher and higher until they win $1 million, which is kind of cool. So these are just different games that they can play. And I do actually enjoy some of them a lot, as I said, but the Battleship for some reason seems to be my favorite. So I hope you enjoy the games that I've talked about, and give me a thumbs up and like the video and subscribe. At His Vessel Academy, we offer live interactive classes as well as some self-paced courses. Visit hisvesselacademy.com for more information and register today.